Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if your power mirrors do not work, we'll explain, guys, if your mirrors do not work or your heated mirrors do not work, which fuse, guys, you need to check. It's one fuse that controls the mirrors, guys, both mirrors and heated mirrors as well. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, guys, including this generation Dodge Dart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can buy car parts and tools for super good price and fast shipping as well. Now I'll go ahead and open the hood, guys, because we have one fuse box here, but you actually have 3 different fuse boxes in that Dodge Dart. So let me explain to you guys where we'll be working and what we need to do. This is it, guys, 2015 Dodge Dart. And now, if only one mirror doesn't work, guys, it could be a bad switch, it could be a bad mirror. We'll have a video on the channel that explains how to diagnose not working mirror, guys. But if both of them do not work and the heated mirrors do not work, guys, okay, what is causing that is most likely either a bad switch or a bad fuse. So in today's video, guys, okay, we're going to cover that and we'll explain what to look for. Now, under the hood, guys, you have one fuse box, but the fuse is actually not there. Unfortunately, it's not here, guys, at all. I checked, I did some research, and there is no fuse for the mirrors, guys, so it's inside the car. We need to go inside, and right here you can see under the steering wheel we have, guys, one cover removed completely. Why? Because there is a hidden fuse box that's on the BCM, on the body control module, that we need to, guys, access through right here, and this cover, okay, will need to be removed in order to do that. If you don't know, guys, how to do that, we have a video on the channel that it's called fuse box location on Dodge Dart. Check it out, just search for it on our channel and you will be able to find it. The fuse, guys, that we're looking at now, okay, let me explain to you guys which one it is quick. Okay, we'll grab the wires out of the way a little bit so we can get more room. And as you can see, guys, the very bottom fuse on the left side, the very bottom one, the first one from bottom to top, okay, is the one that we need to check. That 7.5 amp fuse, guys. Okay, I'll put the fuse puller on it so I can actually show you where it's located. Let me just get it there quick. Perfect. Okay, check it out now. Fuse puller is installed. Okay, I'm trying to focus, and we'll go ahead, grab it, okay, and pull the fuse. Now, if you're, guys, on the market for replacement fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can buy the whole fuse box, guys, okay, for a pretty good price, instead of just buying, okay, let's say 1 or 2 fuses at the parts store, guys. It's very affordable. So we get a new fuse, and all we have to do now, just push it in, okay, and this one is a little bit of a limited room, guys, but we got it in. The fuse is in, so we're ready here. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition is on, and let's see if the power mirrors now work, guys, as it should. Okay, let me do that now. Left, right, up, down. Right one works, let's check the left one now. Left one works, let's check the right one. This one works as well. So that definitely takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.